Hello learners! It's great to see you again. Today, we will explore how to multiply 4-digit numbers using number disks. Let us first multiply numbers without regrouping. What is 2,123 times 3? First, let's use number disks to represent the number 2,123. When we multiply 2,123 by 3, it means that we have 3 groups of 2,123. How many number disks are there in each place value column? Pause and discuss with your friends. We start from the ones place first. 3 ones times 3 is equal to 9 ones. 2 tens times 3 is equal to 6 tens. 1 hundreds times 3 is equal to 3 hundreds. 2 thousands times 3 is equal to 6 thousands. So, 2,123 times 3 is equal to 6,369. Did you get it right? Now let's multiply 4-digit numbers with regrouping. What is 4,325 times 4? First, let's use number disks to represent the number 4,325. When we multiply 4,325 by 4, it means that we have 4 groups of 4,325. How many ones are there? 5 ones times 4 is equal to 20 ones. Each group of 10 ones can be regrouped to form one 10. So, we can regroup 20 ones to form 2 tens. Then, we move the 2 tens to the place value column for tens. Now, let's look at the tens place. How many tens are there? 2 tens times 4 is equal to 8 tens. Then, we add the 2 tens that we regrouped from the ones. So, there are 10 tens. We can regroup 10 tens into 100. Then, we move the 100 to the place value column for hundreds. Now, let's look at the hundreds place. How many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds times 4 is equal to 12 hundreds. Then, we add the 100 regrouped from the tens. So, there are 13 hundreds. We can regroup 10 hundreds to form 1,000. Then, we move the 1,000 to the place value column for thousands. After regrouping, we are left with 3 hundreds. Now, let's look at the thousands place. How many thousands are there? 4 thousands times 4 is equal to 16 thousands. Then, we add the 1,000 regrouped from the hundreds. So, there are 17 thousands. We can regroup 10 thousands to form one 10,000. Then, we move the 1 10,000 to the place value column for 10,000s. After regrouping, we have 7 thousands left. Now, look at the number disks in each place value column after regrouping. Can you tell what is the answer to 4,325 times 4? Pause and discuss with your friends. After regrouping, we have 1 10,000, 7 thousands, 3 hundreds, 0 tens, and 0 ones. So, 4,325 times 4 is equal to 17,300. Did you get it right? Today we have learned how to multiply 4-digit numbers using number disks. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.